Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Smarts. If you're passionate about finance and investing, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of technical analysis. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video will equip you with strategies to enhance your trading productivity. So let's get started. Segment 1, Introduction to Technical Analysis. First off, what is technical analysis? Simply put, it's the study of past market data, primarily price and volume, to forecast future price movements. Unlike fundamental analysis, which focuses on a company's financial health, technical analysis is all about patterns and trends in the market. Segment 2, Key Concept. Let's break down some key concepts that are foundational to technical analysis. Price action and trends. Understanding price action is crucial. Look for uptrends, downtrends, and sideways movement to determine the market direction. Support and resistance levels. These are critical price levels where stocks tend to stop and reverse. Identifying these can help you set entry and exit points. Volume analysis. Volume indicates the strength of a price move. Higher volume during an uptrend confirms the trend, while low volume could signal a potential reversal. And that's why it's so important to understand. Now, let's talk about chart types. The three most common are line chart, great for getting a quick view of price movements over time. Bar charts show more data including open, high, low, and close prices. Candlestick charts. These provide a visual representation of price movements and are favored by many traders for their detailed insights. Segment 4, Popular Technical. Next up, let's discuss some popular technical indicators that can boost your trading productivity. Moving average. Simple moving average smooths out price data, while the exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices. Use these to identify trends. Relative Strength Index. RSI helps determine overbought or oversold conditions. A reading above 70 might indicate overbought, while below 30 could mean oversold. MACD. This is a momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. It's great for spotting potential buy and sell signals. Bollinger Bands. These measure market volatility. When prices touch the upper band, it may be time to sell, and touching the lower band may indicate a buying opportunity. Segment 5. Understanding chart patterns. Chart patterns are crucial for predicting market movements. Bullish and bearish patterns. For example, a head and shoulders pattern can indicate a potential reversal from bullish to bearish, while double bottoms often signal a bullish reversal. Continuation patterns. Patterns like flags and pennants suggest that the trend will continue after a brief consolidation. Segment 6, Time frames and trading plan. Choosing the right time frame is vital. Here's a quick guide. Day trading. Focus on shorter time frames, like 1 minute or 5 minute charts. Swing trading. Utilize daily or weekly charts to capture price swings. Long-term investing. Monthly charts are ideal for long-term trends. Create a trading plan that includes entry and exit points. Define when to enter and exit trades based on your analysis. Risk management. Set stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Backtesting. Always test your strategies against historical data to evaluate their effectiveness. Segment 7. Before we wrap up, here are common mistakes to avoid in technical analysis. System thinking. Over-trading. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional trading. Ignoring market news. Always consider news and events that can impact stock prices. Mastering technical analysis can significantly enhance your trading productivity. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start applying these strategies in your trading and watch your skills grow. Background music fades in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on finance and investing. Let me know in the comments your experiences with technical analysis. Until next time, happy trading.